Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have for you today. Open Heaven's Daily Devotional for Saturday, 7th of January 2023. And our topic says, Perfect Love. Our text is taken from 1 John 4:15 to 21, and our memory verse is taken from 1 John 4, verse 16. And it reads, And we have known and believed the love that God had to us. God is love, and he that dwelleth in love dwelleth in God, and God in him. And his garments, and even to his sword, and to his bow, and to his girdle. Looking closely at the gifts, you would observe that Jonathan gave David practically everything except his shoes. This is because in Bible times, one way to seal a contract is the giving of shoes, and without which everything given can be reclaimed. Ruth 4, verse 7. In those days also, only sons wore shoes. Servants were not allowed to. That is why in Luke 15:11 to 24, when the prodigal son returned, the father asked that shoes be put on his feet to show that he has accepted him back as a son and not a servant. Thus, we see that Jonathan was saying to David, in essence, we are friends, but I am the son and you are only a beloved servant. In 1 Samuel 20:13 to 16 and verse 42, we see that Jonathan entered a covenant with David when it became clear that the latter was going to be a king, extracting a promise from him not to wipe out his family. Later on, he even asked to become David's assistant, 1 Samuel 23, verse 17. Be careful when people say they love you. It may be because of what they can get from you. If it so happens that there is nothing to get anymore, then you would know who truly loves you. God's love for us, however, is perfect and unconditional. He loved us even while we were yet sinners. Romans 5, verse 8. He sacrificed his only begotten Son so you and I can be saved. John 3, verse 16. He alone is worthy of all your trust. 1 John 4, verse 16. Choose the perfect love of God today by surrendering your life to Jesus. It is only in him that we have an assurance of boldness on the day of judgment. 1 John 4, verse 17. And eternal life. Romans 6, verse 23. Our key point for today says, God's love is perfect. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with us to the very end of today's video. We're glad you were here with us. Please keep a date with us by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. And do not forget to follow us also on TikTok at lauru_favor1. And do not forget to like our videos across the social media platforms and of course share it on your social media platforms so your friends and family could be part of this amazing family with you as well. So we'll come your way again with another amazing video. This is still Famous Blog.